What are you running for?
I'm jogging.
You jogging?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think I broke a crime? I didn't do anything.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
Why are you stopping me?
What?
Why are you stopping me?
Well, we just had a robbery down there, and
Where?
you kind of matched the description.
Huh?
You got some ID on you? No? How old are you?
17.
17. Yeah. Where do you live?
Apartments.
What's your name?
I don't want to tell you.
Huh?
I don't want to tell you.
Have a seat then, because I'm gonna get it where you one way or the other. You understand what I'm saying?
Why?
Because you're not identifying yourself to me, and I'm investigating a crime. Sit down on the ground.
No. But my name's Andrew.
Huh?
Andrew.
Have a seat on the ground. Right now. I'm gonna light your ass up. You're not complying. No ID. I'm investigating a robbery. You're running from that area. Okay?
Yeah. I'm just jogging.
You might be.
Showing boy 15 on the
It's a law that you have ID on.
I'm 17.
17's an adult.
Send them that minor arrested your truck. Handle that.
And what's your
Take the phone off of it.
41-415.
You recording it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just making sure.
Make sure what?
You don't do anything.
I'm not gonna do anything as long as you're in compliance. You know, you want to be obstinate, you know, and don't want to give me your ID, say you don't have an ID, you don't want to give me your name.
Because you're following me.
Yeah, I told you I'm investigating a robbery that come down there from the Walgreens, right
Wait,
where you come running from.
Show me SO and Route 2, quick.
If you hadn't done anything, you're good to go. Okay? I'm fixing to find out.
Go for it.
All right. Board 28. Have any of the units arrived on that scene yet where they can get a description of this male that I'm detaining right now?
Negative, they're still en route, but per the comments, he should be wearing a blue sweatshirt.
Do I have a blue sweatshirt on? No, thank you. I do not.
Okay, he's got a blue sweatshirt on. Did it have a...
It's a black.
A Mustang logo on the front with an M, blue?
Yeah.
The caller didn't specify. They just said blue sweatshirt. You want me to have Central do a call back?
Yes, if you would, please.
Can I get your name?
Deputy Clark.
Badge number?
Where do you go to school?
I don't want to tell you.
You don't want to say that?
No.
Okay, I guess we're going to have to do this another route. You know?
P4, meet the officer 300, air take 372 more.
Turn around.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put you in cuffs till I get some information from you, guy.
I go to Davis. Davis.
That's all you're giving me.
Huh?
Turn around. Put your hands behind
I'll give
your
you
back.
anything.
Turn around and
Oh
put your
my
hands behind your
God.
back.
That's good.
If it ain't you, I'll let you go. But you being uncooperative, then we'll deal with it another way.
What are you doing?